Hello everyone, are you guys fine? Today we'll be talking more about Vaden, the new darts framework created by the Brazilian community called Flutterando. Alright, today we'll be creating a new project. We'll be setting up a new project. And the best thing that Vaden does is creating the project just like Spring Boot does. We can create the project in the web browser, right? So let me change here my screen. We can go to a website here. Let's change it here to my personal account. So let me exclude this. All right, nice. All right, so let's go to doc.vaden.dev, right? This is the our website. We can click here in getting started, and in this getting started session, we can have here a link. Then we can generate your project. Then we can click in this link here. We will be redirected to this page here. That is the start Vaden dev page. The Vaden generator. We can choose the name of our project. Let's do this. Vaden fluttering video. The description will be Vaden's fluttering videos for YouTube. Right? Let me do this lowercase here. So we can choose the Dart version here. So we have three options here, 360 or 371 or 372. The version I'll be choosing here is 360. And we are the dependencies here. Let me translate here to English, sorry. And the project name, the description, and the Dart version, all right? So the dependencies here that I will be adding here, we can click here in add dependencies. We have dependencies like Swagger, WebSocket, Deal, that package, that the Flutter package, you might know as you are a Flutter developer. We can add Redis, PostgreSQL, SQLite, and Chrome. In this video, we'll be adding only Swagger. Then we can see the endpoints, all right? The endpoints documentation. Nice. We can choose one or more dependencies. And we can create click here in the generate product. The product will be downloaded here in this as a zip file. Then we can extract it. Let's do this. So let's create a folder here, Vaden first project, and let's extract that folder to this folder, that file to this folder. All right, done. Now we can go to the file here, to the folder here, and we can open with Visual Studio Code, or your preferential editor. Nice. We already have some folder structure here created by the Vaden generator. So there are some commands that we'll be having to do. That the first command is the downloading the Dart packages, Dart pubget. So we can download the packages that the Vaden needs. Nice. All right, we downloaded the packages. Right now, we have to use build runner first. So let's do in two different terminals. I'll be using this terminal from Visual Studio Code. So we have to use build runner in this project, Dart run build runner, watch like this. Let's wait a bit. Let's see how it executes. You can see that there are a lot of dependencies here that the project cannot find. So after running the build runner, the dependencies will appear, right? So There's one more thing that we have to do. This is something that the community is trying to do, that is the Vaden security. So for this video, we will be removing this annotation here, right? So we can run our project. And to run the project in the terminal, we can type dart run lib/server.dart. Sorry, dart run bin/server.dart. Nice. All right, server listening on port 88. Do you remember that in the last video, we reviewed the port and the localhost here, and something, and even more things, the title of the project, and everything about the application.yml file, right? So let's go to our controllers and see what we can have. So let's go to lib and src. That is the code that you will be writing when you're coding, generating new things to the project. Hello underscore controller here. It is a simple controller that we have the API config, API, open API, that is the Swagger. We have a controller here called hello, and a method here called /ping. That means if you type localhost semicolon 8080 and hello and ping, you will be having this response here. So as we did, we set it up. We choose the package of Swagger. When we were creating this product, we can access the Swagger in the browser. Let's see how to do it in the documentation. Here we are. So getting started. So we have this testing your application. When you run the project, the console will display a message indicating that the server is listening on port 88, like this. You can test your application using a web browser, something like this, 88/hello/ping. So we have that response from this endpoint and this method. And we also, if your project includes OpenAPI as a dependencies, navigate to localhost 88/docs. That's what we're gonna do. All right. So here is the Swagger documentation, right? So we can open here the method get, and we can try it out. Let's see. Let's execute. All right. And that's the response. So guys, it looks really great, right? We do already have Swagger configured. We noticed that it is easy to set up a Dart project, and in the next video we'll be doing even more things in this project. So I think that's enough for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel. If you want to get in touch with me on LinkedIn or Instagram, or you want to see my YouTube channel talking about Flutter, everything in this video description, right? Once more, my name is Paulo. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.